donut chart is a pie chart with a hole, right? Okay, so now we start to create the donut chart. So for creating the donut chart, we need to create the placeholder. So placeholder means like we need to create the calculated field like 0, and we can give the name as 0. Apply. Again, we need to create the second placeholder 1, 0. So one placeholder for the inner circle and the second placeholder for the outer circle, because two circle will comprise a donut chart, right? So now we need to bring the placeholder into the row, and we need to select the mark from automatic to pie chart, and we need to make it entire view. At the same time, we can increase the size, right? Again, we need to take our second placeholder into the row, and we can we need to join both the charts. So for that, we need to right click here and choose the dual axis. So now both the we can say circle have become one. So now so this is the first one circle, and this is for the second one circle, right? So so next thing like we need to do is yeah, so for this one we need to decrease the size, right? Now we need to edit the color and make it white. This is for the one, like double click on one and choose the white color from here, apply. Okay, so you will see like we are creating a kind of donut chart. So now the next thing is we will select this one and the first one, and we need to bring region. So we are finding sales based on the region, right? So region, bring the region into the we can say color, right? So it is segregated into the 4 region. Now again bring the region into the level so that it will give us the name. So now we need to take the major sales into the angle so that it will define the distribution. Now so now at the same time we need to bring the sales into the label. So it is telling us like this much part is belongs to the west, and this much part belongs to the center. Same for the rest one. Now select the second placeholder and the sales into the label. So it is telling us the entire sale is this much. So we can add the total sales here. So for that we need to come to label, and here under the label appearance click on the three dots, and here we can type the total sales. Okay. You can see the total sales comes here, and now we need to do rest of the things, like we can remove uh, this, we can hide the card. At the same time, we can hide this card as well. So we can also uncheck the show header. So we are still with the this line. So we need to click on the right click, click on format, come to the line part and click onto the 0, select none. So now you can see like there is nothing is there. So now we can say our donut chart has completed. So we can do the other things, like if you want to show the percentage distribution, so we can do the things like we can choose the sum of sales, right click, go to the quick table calculation, click on the percentage of total. So you can see like 100% is the same thing we need to do here. Click onto the quick table calculation, click on the percentage of total. So now we can see like the total percentage of distribution within the 4 regions. So this is it for today. Like if you feel this video is really helpful for you, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to create such useful videos on different Tableau topics.